If you love coffee and want to take your brew to the next level, you will love the KRUVE Sifter. Great coffee starts with a consistent grind. Brewing coffee with an uneven grind is like cooking with different sized ingredients. To get the best results, all your ingredients must be the same size. Coffee is no different. An inconsistent grind will result in an uneven extraction and unwanted flavors. Even the best grinders on the market can't produce a truly consistent grind. With the KRUVE Sifter, you get the perfect grind every time, no matter what grinder you use. Thanks to the KRUVE Sifter's multiple interchangeable sieves, you can control the exact grind size for your particular recipe and brewing method. The KRUVE Sifter uses 2 tiers of sieves to remove particles that are both too big and too small, giving you perfect consistency. When brewing that perfect cup, you control your brew down to the second, gram, and degree. Now you can control it down to the micron. And taste coffee the way it was meant to taste. The KRUVE Sifter. Many have tried to perfect the grinder. We perfected the grind.
Say hello to Wemo Mini, the smart plug that makes your life truly comfortable. Mini can help you get your day started. Or give power to your voice.
Turn off the kitchen.
Wemo Mini can also give you peace of mind. You can also schedule Mini to make your life easier and welcome you home.
Turn on the home. Turn off the bedroom.
You enjoy their company and play with them whether indoors or outdoors. Do you love your pets but hate the shedding hair that gets everywhere from your clothes, your furniture, and all over the home? Introducing the 5-finger de-shedding glove.
She loves being stroked and at the same time I'm grooming her too.
Hello. Let's set up your Luma surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.